Hey everyone, spend some time with my mom as she cleans up her car because American life has literally taught her that without independence you cannot survive. Gone are the days that would automatically have a clean car because every weekend was our car wash day and play day for us. We would go to a children's playground while the car got washed, and mom and dad would be there having them a chama and shawarma and some drinks.
I have found my reasons now to keep my burdens left behind. I did not know what it would bring. Now I'm capable of everything.
Hi guys, so this is the status of my car. Honestly speaking, having children is just one thing, but the amount of trash that you find everywhere is just amazing. So it's been a long while since I did a deep clean in my car, and this is the status. This is what I am dealing with. Of course, kids always have snacks when we are either going to school or going somewhere, and honestly, it's one big mess. So I am just going to be cleaning this up, and then I will put some what are they called? Those mats, those plastic mats, just so that I can be able to preserve these other cloth mats. And I guess the plastic ones, they are also easier to clean. And then I'll vacuum the floors of the car, wipe down the chairs. Then we are going to head over to the car wash. One thing that I honestly really miss is just those times and the days where we just used to have a guy for everything. And do the guy, a gas guy, a cab guy, just a guy who was always available to run errands for you. And one of my favorite memories was definitely at my last job. And I know my colleague is going to be watching this. We used to leave at lunchtime, and then there used to be this place that used to have amazing shawarma. And we would just go there, and you just leave the car and they're washing it, and you're just there enjoying and you're just having a random day. You're just having a nice time, and then your car is clean, and that's it, and they will do a pretty good job. And then I was just thinking, all this work that I am doing, and we used to pay someone like 200 bob, 300 bob. Hey, and then on top of it all, still have the audacity to even bargain. And the way it is me, it is so much work. Now is when I am understanding the amount of work that goes into cleaning a car. Hey, the people who run car washes, please appreciate them when you can, because this is a full body workout and honestly a test of patience, especially when someone brings you a car looking like this. Hey, I would charge a fortune and a half. Anyway, so these children know exactly what I am going through. So when I tell you that America is where the statement, what a man can do, a woman can do better, believe me, because this is where that statement is tested. Never in my wildest dreams or thoughts did it cross my mind that I can wash a car or even know how to operate a gas pump, that at the fuel station. But here we are, learning new things every day because we have to, and there is no one to do them for you. Here, at the gas station, there is no guy standing there, and you just roll down your window and tell them, nieke ya mia tano, nieke ya elfu mbili. It is you get out of the car and you fuel your own car by yourself. So, anyway, here is a car wash day for me and fueling day. The big difference is that I will do the interior once I clean the interior myself. Then we will just go to a car wash and do the outside of the car, which I obviously don't need to leave the car. You just drive through and the car gets clean, and and then we will fuel the car, and we are ready for the next week or two. So that is how I do my car wash day. Definitely not a weekly thing because also time is a factor, but it is definitely something that I do. Um, often, especially when kids are in school is in session, and we are doing all those back and forth trips. Yeah, I frequently need to keep washing it so that I can be able to maintain this light gray color. Otherwise, my next car, I am definitely not buying anything that will have cloth because it is too hard to maintain. I'd rather buy something that has leather seats because this one, hey, this one is the real ghetto when it comes to removing the stains. But anyway, let's clean it up and then we will go to the car wash.
Capable of everything. Capable of everything. Leaving for a brighter sky, where my soul is harmonized. Don't know why I couldn't see that I'm capable of everything. Capable of everything. Capable of everything. Capable of everything. Capable of everything.
I'm finally done. I got these plastic mats from Amazon. So for now, these are the ones that were in the car, and I found that they were getting dirty really, really fast, especially on rainy days and when there was just dirt all over the place, they were getting dirty really fast. So this one is plastic stroke rubber, and I think it is going to be much better because even if you enter the car with wet shoes, it doesn't absorb, it protects, which is much easier to clean. So here we are at the car wash. We are just going to go in. I have the kids inside and they are always screaming. And for me, anytime I am inside this thing, I just hold my breath because my window is cracked and I always imagine that these things are going to to slap it and it just breaks when I am there inside and I cannot move. But fingers crossed that this window is strong and that these things are not going to cause any damage because these guys are always have a disclaimer there that they are not liable for any damages. So let's get in and have the car washed and that will be it.
I've been walking on the same shore ever since the time I left you on the dark side with a promise and a rhyme. And everybody else around are beating down on me to leave the only good thing a disaster meant to be. And if I was to be on trial for every wrong I did, the courthouse would be filled with people waiting to get rid of the one that ripped their lives apart and shattered all their dreams. They locked me up forever, even throw away the keys. And I wait for the release, hoping to get my freedom back before the world has turned on everything I know. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right here where I'm bound to stay. And I wait for the release, hoping to get my freedom back before the world has turned on everything I know. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right here where I stay. Come, you lovers, and head my way, always looking for a new day. I will fight for my right to be right here where I'm bound to stay.
And just like that, can you believe or imagine that human beings have managed to create like such a humongous thing that can just do everything that human beings can ideally do? Like spray the soap, scrub the car, dry the car, rinse the car, wax the car. Hey, this is very, very interesting. So, anyway, once this is done, we are going to go to the blowers, those big black things up there. And then you just stay under there. It kind of gives you a timer. I think it's like 60 seconds or 90 seconds or something. And then it just like blows away the water and dries your car. So you just drive through slowly until all the water is gone, and you can just look at the timer down there. Right there, it shows you the number of seconds that you have before the blower goes off. So that's it. Thank you guys for spending the day with me. I really appreciate you. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next one. Baraka tele.